Hi, you're watching Petadendron, and in today's video, I'm plant shopping at an exotic nursery and botanical garden. I'm at Rainforest Flora in Torrance, California. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Patrick, and I'm a houseplant collector with an ever-growing collection of plants. And I upload every Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So if you want to see how I grow my collection and keep my plants happy, then you should definitely hit subscribe. And in today's video, I'm so excited to be shopping here with you guys because I saw Erica Lode's video and it looked beautiful. And I'm excited to go see what they have. Let's go. Wow, look at that piece. So this one is $125, but I say it like it's art because it looks like art to me. Just hanging there. It's beautiful. That could replace my Maranta. This one's pretty too, with its curly ends. And look, that one has the coloring, the sun's dressing. And then they have Syndapsis pictus, Argyrius. This one's pretty though. Look how the edges. And that's $24.99. Let's see how much this Marble Queen is. $19.99. And they have the Rhubarba Calathea for $24.99. They have another Antonio. Pretty flower. And then Calathea lancifolia for $39.99. Antonio. And then a Janet Craig Dracaena or Dracaena for $12. And looks like an Aglianema, but I think it's Dieffenbachia for $14.99. And this little guy is $10. And then we have assorted Dracaena, it's $15, and the Croton is $14.99. And then a lemon lime Dracaena too. The lemon lime is $12. And then this bright one is $15. I think these are a Tradescantia of some kind. But look here, they have the most healthiest looking medallions. Beautiful. And they're $19.99. Little Dieffenbachia in the back hiding. That one's $9.99. And a little Setosa Gray Star in the back hiding. And the Setosa is $24.99. There's a Syngonium and a Peperomia, obtusifolia. These are cool. Maxillaria, tenuifolia. Looks orchid-like. And some Peperomia caparatas. Those are $19.99. Oh yeah, and the obtusifolia is $13.99. The Syngonium is $10. That's cool. Blooming Guzmania or Avrisea. And this one's $5. Oh my gosh, the bromeliads are actually breathtaking. This one's really pretty. And these are $20. This one especially is catching my eye. It's the Vrisia Nova, and this one's actually $25. And this one's really interesting too. This one's a Bilbergia, the label says. This one too. $25 for those cool ones. And sorry if I sound muffled, I'm wearing a different mask. This one's $15. Still $25. And this one, the label says Antonio, and it's $15. Pretty flower. This one's super cool. I'll have to find out how much this one is. Go into the botanical gardens. Such a cool plant. And they have Airplants just growing on the side of the rocks. Pardon me. Oh my gosh. I would love to have a philodendron this size one day. So cool. Here's another. Oh. Photobomb. Look at that big guy. Hi. He wants to say hi. There's that giant colocasia right in the middle of the water. More giant airplants and Spanish moss. So airplants and bromeliads are in the same family, I think. Oh, look, there's an airplant with the brightly colored leaves. That's selling me on Airplants. I love this plant. The leaves kind of remind me of the Ficus audrey, but it's definitely not. And look, an air plant in bloom. So lots of bright light, lots of humidity. Indirect bright light. These are totally vegan, like elk horns to put on the wall. I love that. So this one's from Longwood Gardens. This one is from the Netherlands. Actually, both of these are. Actually, these four are. And this one is from Maui. That's so cool. This one says Talmadge for $55. And this large one, this one says Excellence. So that might be the cultivar or species, but it's $125 for that large piece. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this one. Look at that. That's the Superbum. And this one's $95. That's so beautiful. Here's another Superbum for $95. I have found the staghorn for me. Oh my gosh, I love that. This one's a large Maui for $75. A Catum for $75. Ooh, this one's beautiful too. This one's $85. Same with that. Then this extra large one is $125. So is this one down here. Gorgeous. $175 for that monster. Beautiful monster. And they also have assorted tillandsia. The tillandsia cocoensis. So this one grows like that. And it's $5. There's so many different air plants. One thing I found with these is that the wider they are, the harder they are to soak. Like to find a container to soak them in. That was one thing that I encountered. These are cool. These are $10. This one's $20. Oh wow, these are cool. So these are like fuzzy, hairy, and these are $15. That might be my favorite one. That and then one of those like ones that turn a hyper color when it's sun stressed. These are $10. Ooh. That looks really cool. And that one's $12. The flower looks beautiful. This one's $3.50, and the flower looks beautiful on that too. These are $5. Look back there, that's so cool. That is a colocasia mojito. The leaves on that are beautiful. Yeah, giant fish too. And then back in the front, they have more houseplants. They have the variegated maranta. That is $24.99. It's a nice big full pot. And then some more lancifolias and rufibarbas. The rufibarba is $24.99 and the lancifolia is $39.99. And then down here are the green Congos, and these are $14.99. This one's just labeled houseplant, but I'd like to know more. Any of you guys know what this one is? I'm intrigued. This one is $50. Let me know in the comments what it is. And some Monstera deliciosa. That one is $50. But this one that has a stake is $40. And then this one with its beautifully fenestrated leaves are $50. Or this one is $50. And they have xerographicas, of course. So these are $20. And these are $30 for the medium size. And they have bigger ones too for $40. Do any of you guys have any experience with a xerographica? They're so intriguing. We have these smaller ones for $35 in the front. This one's the Maui. And that's the Superbum. They have another Superbum. Man, another added to the wish list. And the Pumilla. I'm gonna have to figure out like a wall space with really good lighting in my house. And then I'll revisit. What? That is so cool, right? The color. So the way that it's growing kind of reminds me of like the sago palm. So I wonder if this is a cycad also. Amazing. That's real. Hey, friend. Oh, it is. Living his best life. Look at that giant stagthorn ball. It's amazing. I wonder how many years it took to get that big. So right outside they have the succulents. And each 4-inch pot is $5.99. And they have some snake plants. And the 6-inch is $9.99. That's so cool looking. I think that's a Neoregelia. And those are its pups. I think. And there's more down here. Yeah, looks like a bromeliad. Cool, they have mini Neo Virgilias for $10. Lots of different colors. I'm loving how they look hanging like that. That's so cool. And these 6-inch Neos are $20. Look at this one with its pup. This one's $20 as well. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me as I discovered a new place to buy plants from. I love this place, and I'm so coming back. I loved their selection of Tillandsia, and if I grow this one with success, I'm definitely going to get more. And they had, you know, the basic houseplant fare too, and they all looked healthy because, you know, growing in a beautiful greenhouse with probably the most perfect humidity. Like, those medallions were exquisite. But I got one thing, and I'm so excited for it. I got the Tillandsia tectorum with the beautiful hairs, and they have a smaller one. They have a smaller one that is $10, but the hairs on there were like non-existent, and the sign on this says that these are 25 to 35 years old. Isn't that crazy? Just for them to grow that hair. So definitely worth the extra $8 that I paid and got that time. But then Lucy, the lady that worked there, she's so nice. She's awesome. And we talked about plants. She taught me a little bit more about the Tillandsia care and how the tectorum likes to dry out a little more in between waterings, which is a very good tip. So thank you for that. But also thank you for this. That's such a great gesture, you know. So I love making new plant friends, and I'm definitely coming back. And I recommend coming here. If, you know, not for the shopping, come for the botanical gardens. It was beautiful in there. But no, they had some really cool plants too. I loved the staghorn ferns. And I'm honestly contemplating going back. I like the superbum, and Joe likes the excellence. So we'll have to decide. But thank you again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. It was a lot of fun shopping here. And if you did like this, please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my plant videos, which I hope you do, please hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But I don't want to miss you too much, so if you can show me some love in the comment section, that would be awesome. Thanks, guys.